still looks like it'll be very close to the second half of the evening hour. So if you do have plans for the next couple of hours, it still looks like we're going to be clear for the time being and dry, but still waiting for that front, as Neville showed you, near Beatrice, and as Nick just said, it's pretty far to our west right now. We are going to see rounds of storms. Some could be severe, some could be strong, but as long as we keep the clouds fairly thick, it does take some of the juice away from the atmosphere to feed at least some of those thunderstorms from getting very mature. Here's the tornado watch once again for a few counties in Iowa, northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas. That's about where he is. You go farther south, you're not under any watch for the time being. And looking at what the Storm Prediction Center is talking about, it doesn't look like they're really that anxious to put us under a box of any sort quite yet. We do have some lighter showers that we can see here on First Alert Live radar. That's very close to Platte County going in toward Clay County. Some sprinkles, light showers. Crystal was talking about that as well. Here comes the live sweep going around once a minute, giving you updates about that frequent. Farther down to the east and southeast, 65 highway down towards Sedalia and even further to the south and southeast. A few showers, thunderstorms, but not severe, so no damaging winds, no damaging hail, and right now certainly no tornado warnings coming from that. According to First Alert Future Scan, we just plotted it into our computer system. This is the way the radar could look. Still a pocket of showers and thunderstorms east and southeast of Kansas City, but notice how the metro right now is pretty much high and dry. But here's the front that's marching across the Plain States. You can still see from Falls City, Nebraska going through Atchison City. This is now stopping it at about 10 in the evening, right along Interstate 35, going from about Bethany farther southwest toward Lawrence. These are the ones that still could have a little bit of a punch. But again, as long as we stay overcast, that'll take some of the bite out of these thunderstorms as they continue to move through. Look what happens between 10 and midnight, making some progress farther to the east, pretty much right over the Kansas City metro, then going toward Odessa and Warrensburg, hopefully clearing the entire region by 2 in the morning. Later on tonight, meteorologist Brittany Foster will be here, meteorologist Pete Grigsby as well. All 6 of us will have a hand in this. Obviously, Kate was here earlier, and also Nick at noon. And here's the way it's looking as far as the hazards are concerned. Still a possibility it starts to trail off after 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock or so. That's the way it's looking, that we are still in the throes of things for the time being. But take a look at the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast. Much calmer, 38 to 54 degrees on Saturday with a lot of sunshine and much drier air trying to move in. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. The weekend's looking dry as well, warming up a little bit on Sunday. Don't forget to spring forward 1 hour. 67 the high on Sunday, Monday 76. Tuesday, another impact day with another chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could also be hefty. Wednesday, it cools down dramatically. That's part of the reason why we're thinking they could be a little bit strong. Thursday, 60. Friday, 65 degrees. And cooling back down, getting close to the normal once again by next weekend. Upper 50s for high temperatures. Morning starting in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. KMBC 9 News at 5 o'clock returns after